Whatever.
6400's next, come on.
Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to compare the 1DX Mark II against the 5D Mark IV.
Yeah, it's like a music video right here.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
We are doing an ISO comparison between the Canon 5D Mark IV and the 1DX Mark II. An auto picture profile, ISO 400, which is a base ISO for both cameras, shutter 50, regular HD, and we're also shooting on one lens on both cameras, which is the 35mm Canon, the f2 with the image stabilization. So this is the 5D Mark IV. Same settings, shutter 50, f2.0, ISO 400, ISO 500, ISO 640, ISO 800, ISO 1000, ISO 1250, ISO 1600, ISO 2000, ISO 2500, ISO 3200, ISO 4000, ISO 5000, ISO 6400, ISO 8000, ISO 10000. So this is the 1DX at shutter 50, f2.0, ISO 400, ISO 500, ISO 640, ISO 800, ISO 1000, ISO 1250, ISO 1600, ISO 2000, ISO 2500, ISO 3200, ISO 4000, ISO 5000, ISO 6400, ISO 8000, ISO 10000, ISO 400, ISO 500, ISO 640,
Negative 16,
ISO 800,
negative 18,
ISO 1000, ISO 1250, ISO 1600, ISO 2000, ISO 2500, ISO 3200, ISO 4000, ISO 5000, ISO 6400 at shutter 2.0,
shutter 2.0,
ISO 8000, or poor Rob. Sorry, man. If you can actually tell the difference between the 1DX and the 5D Mark IV, reds are slightly more contrasted, they're a little darker. Canon 1DX, the profile, or not the profile, the colors and the whole just video part of it, I feel like it's a little more calm, it's a little fade. I'm not too sure on how to say it, but I think the Canon 1DX wins in this situation. They kind of look the same, but just like the 5D Mark IV, the colors are a little bit more contrasty. So in this case, I think the 1DX wins in the low light situation. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't seen my recent video that I posted of the boxing video, go check that out. It's probably one of my best. And yeah, we'll see you next video. Peace.